Listen, most people lose the moment they get disrespected. Not because they're weak, but because they react. They get emotional. They try to defend themselves. They try to win the moment. And that's exactly what the rude person wants. Because when you react, you give them control. So if you really want to make a rude person regret ever opening their mouth, you don't fight them. You do the opposite. You take control without saying much. Here's how. First, don't react immediately. This is where most people fail. Someone says something disrespectful, and they instantly respond. That reaction is your loss, because now they've pulled you into their level. Instead, take a second. Look at them. Stay calm. Let the silence sit. Silence creates pressure, and most people can't handle that pressure. Second, control your emotions. No anger, no ego, no need to prove anything. Because the moment you try to prove your worth, you already lowered your value. Real confidence doesn't need validation. It doesn't argue. It doesn't chase respect. It naturally commands it. And people feel that, even the rude ones. Third, don't over-explain. This is a mistake almost everyone makes. They talk too much. They try to justify themselves. They try to win the argument. But the truth is, the more you talk, the less power you have. Because now you're seeking approval. Instead, keep your words minimal, short, direct. Or say nothing at all. Because silence forces them to sit with what they said. And most of the time, they start to feel it. The awkwardness, the mistake, the regret. And that's when it hits them. Not because you attacked them, but because you didn't. You stayed above it. You didn't give them the reaction they were expecting. And that breaks their control. So next time someone disrespects you, don't rush to respond. Don't try to win the moment. Just stay calm. Stay still. Let them expose themselves. Because in the end, the person who controls themselves controls the situation. And the one who needed the reaction is the one who loses. Stay unshakable.